Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Basecamp projects for small team task management, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Basecamp projects for your small team, start by logging into your Basecamp account. Once you're logged in, click on the Projects tab in the main navigation menu. Select the New Project button to create a project for your team. Give your project a clear and descriptive name to help everyone understand its purpose. Under the project name, add a brief description outlining the project goals and objectives. Choose a template if you have one, or start with a blank project. Next, invite your team members by clicking on the Add People button. Enter the email addresses of your team members to send them invites. Once your team is set up, navigate to the To-Do section to create task lists. Create a new task list by clicking on the Add a To-Do List button. Name your task list based on the specific tasks or phases of the project. Add individual tasks to your list by clicking on Add a To-Do. Be sure to assign tasks to team members to clarify responsibilities. Set due dates for each task to keep everyone on track. Utilize the message board section to communicate important updates or decisions. Post an initial message to set expectations and outline the project's timeline. Encourage team members to use the comment feature on tasks for ongoing discussions. Check the Schedule section to plan project meetings and deadlines. Use the calendar to visualize important dates and milestones. Regularly review the Progress section to track completed tasks and overall project health. Encourage your team to update their task statuses as work progresses. Explore the Docs and Files section to upload relevant resources and documents. Organize files in folders if needed to enhance accessibility. Make the most of the campfire feature for real-time communication during work sessions. Create a welcoming environment where team members can share ideas and ask questions. As your project evolves, keep refining organization and clarity by archiving completed tasks. Lastly, encourage feedback from your team on how to improve the project management process. This setup will help your small team stay organized and focused on task management in Basecamp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.